Hi, welcome to Easy English and thank you for visiting. Moving on with the past tenses, the next topic is the past continuous tense in British or the past progressive tense in American. So when do we use this tense? First, this tense is used to express an action that was in progress when something else happened. So there are two actions here. An action in progress and then another action happens. The structure is subject, was and were, present participle, or the verb ing plus the object. So I, he, she, and it is followed by was. For example, I was making breakfast when you phoned. The action in progress was making breakfast, and the other action was somebody phoned. He was driving to work when I rang him. The action in progress was driving to work, and the other action was somebody rang him. Were you doing your homework when the lights went out? This is in question form. Are you with there is followed by were. You were talking on the phone when they arrived. Action in progress, talking on the phone. Another action, the arrival of some people. We were having lunch when the bell rang. Action in progress, having lunch. And the other action is the ringing of the bell. And in question form, were you doing your shopping when I rang up? This tense is also used to talk about an action that was in progress at a particular time in the past. For example, they were playing tennis until 2 a.m. They have stopped playing. They're not playing tennis anymore. She was working at the call center in the summer of 2019. That was in the summer of 2019, not anymore. In conversation, it would be like this. Speaker A, what were you doing at 9 p.m.? I was listening to music. Were you at the party last night? No, I wasn't. I was watching movies on Netflix. All right. You ready for a quiz? Check your answers. Well done. If you have any questions, please write them on the comments below and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you found the contents useful, please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Thank you, goodbye, and see you in the next video.